Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 2x6 pitching net for baseball and softball. Probably better than softball because it's not one of those like super big, so it's just like 2x6. I'm 5'10, and you can see that this one is just like fairly right there. So it's not super big, but it's big enough to practice. So let's say that you know nothing or too much about softball or baseball, like me, like my case, but you still want to drop some balls or you want to play with your kids or you want to practice with them. This is really good for that one. Not only because how easy it is to install, which by the way, if you don't believe me, let me show you. This is everything you'll have to do. It's just one single page. Everything you have to do, it's just this, and it's gonna take you, I want to say probably 15 minutes, no more than that. And maybe I may be exaggerating. Super easy to assemble. And then it comes with a few things that either you're a beginner or you're into the sport or your kids are practicing or they're really into the sport. It may be really good for them to practice with this super cool net. Let me show you some things. Well, first you can take a better look at this one. Super slow. You can see the frame. It is also super well secured to the sides. You can actually put it more in vertical mode or more in horizontal mode because those are adjustable. So you can do it as well. And you can also put it, let's say that you have this super nice net, which I think it is the most basic one. It's kind of like the one to really practice. But then you have some other ones like target zones. You have some target net. You can put a net on the front like this one and then another one on the back and practice with both of them. And then it comes with tons of this velcros over here to secure the net, but also it comes with this elastic straps over here. So you can actually use them across the whole frame for the front net, or you can also use the velcros for the front net and use these ones right here for the back net. Because as I was just telling you before, you can put two nets at the same time and have both of them for practice. But talking about the nets, and also right here, this one right here, you can kind of like unscrew it and extend it and prolong it from both ways and put it more like horizontal way if you want. I believe that this one is the best angle for me, which I'm a beginner. But again, if you are into advanced mode or your kids into advanced mode, they can put it a little bit more to practice on the other angle. And you saw that before it comes this net over here comes with a pocket. So every single ball we stay over there with no go like any other place than that pocket over there. But I do have to say, make sure that you put it in an open place. Just make sure that there are no glasses, kind of like windows or glasses or a car or something like that in the surroundings or the area, because this one, yeah, you may miss or not. Okay, so then a couple more things. This one right here, in case that you want to put it in the grass or something like that, it comes with metal stakes. So you can actually put this one in the frame and put it against the ground, like in a graph or something like that. So that is really cool. It also comes with this other net that, as I was telling you before, you can use this one on the front, and then at the same time, you can put this one on the back, securing it with those elastic straps that I told you before. So that way, you have two nets. This is going to be the one to drop or throw actually the balls and make them stay right there on the pocket. And this one without pocket, when you put it right here or on the other side, is going to be kind of like a rebounder. It's going to be the one that's going to be more like aggressive, that you can actually pitch super strong and it's going to bounce and come back to you. So you have those two ways of practice. By the way, one more time, you can put them both at the same time. But then this one, I believe, is the best one. This one right here comes with this 9 pockets, as you can see over here, 9 holes. You can put it on top with the clips at the same time that you're putting this one in practice with a more target zone with this 9 pockets, 9 holes over here. But as I was just telling you before, I'm a beginner, so I'm just gonna use this one and throw some pitches and see how that goes. Nice one. And go to the pocket. The other one was kind of like a little bit aggressive. But then I do this and stays in the pocket. And then I'm right here, and this one stays in the pocket as well. 6, pretty good one with tons of nets, super easy assemble, ways to secure the nets and also secure it to the ground if you want, and also really good for you and your kids or both of you to practice. Like it, thumbs up to this one. Thanks for watching and see you soon.